Eyo ahwefo enenso ye ma akwaba Edba Feel Good Services so last week month yenka enye boapayo na momi hihye bi na amanyoma ntokwa mu ntia ba yeda wase se okoso ka ye ho de bia abra ye de adisuade ahodo ede brew enadwumadie no Happy Glow GH and de brew nail spa and beauty salon wohia cosmetics bia ubetimi akoho no ewo Ashoman Estate opposite Veggies and Grill Abrosane so honoma nene uze na otwi mu no enuma bi akoso ewo social media no so ene the Ghanaian political terrain no so me pese me fa sa konya esu na me congratulate Dr. Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman say ya nominate no say ombeye the vice presidential candidate Emma the National Democratic Congress NDC, one of the biggest political parties in Ghana. We believe in women empowerment. We believe in women getting places. As Agri once said, you know, if you educate a woman, you educate a nation. But when you educate a man, you educate an individual. So we want to believe that with Nana Opoku Agyeman, Dr. Eba Sono, this is a boost to Yemano. But Mr. Mo and your politics na meye. My part is just based on the gender no. And on kwa wasem na maker. Na say am I trending na watchi there. Then na me pese ye hwe bibi enso efa emma ho ene omapomuden nsem ho. Enti no be ma wo two statistics bi pe about women and mental health. Na afede ya hwe a condition and I say omoti bia bia ye omotai ekum. The other kind say unim say emma eta wo more mental health conditions essay emma eno ye the other kind they also bienu emma are more likely to attempt suicide than emma, but the flip side they say emma are more successful in dying from suicide than emma. These are the two facts that I want to leave with you. Women tend to have more mental health conditions than men. And women attempt more suicide than men, but men are more successful in dying from suicide. So today I want to talk about pregnancy and mental health. So we're going to talk about the gestational period, the postpartum, then those ones after that, right? So the first one here about gestational diabetes, and I say gestational hypertension. Enti ye ka say gestational pregnancy period no ebra oba no enyem no enti no say emanyema esan enwema hodo a ya na esesa wo body mu enti no ebi on ma ya na de yarewa bi eba omo akwam enti no abra wa wo awie no yemfa nkọ ho no abra wa go through no wa wo awie no between the first 2 weeks na otwemienu na after wa wo no eya ebi wo ho no ma they go through bibi a friend postpartum blues. Postpartum blues. Now, postpartum blues happen between 50 to 80% of pregnancies. You say I hold do a na ekoso ni nyina no. Oha mo chichemu eduonum eko eduowotwe onwo a no go through postpartum blues. Na yakaso bi postpartum blues ene say ubon say na ni enhyeda enka no ho papa oni ahun keka papa ontimi sore nyade na ninji ne ho bebre and enuma ahodo bi ana ya na edeba de beka eno so hwasem na sa postpartum blues yi ubohu na osu na why overwhelmed or feeling guilty, right? Ebi wo hono ma ebia na owo ye no obo na akọ test ahodo yes obewo ba nani agye ho afido ko wo ya ayebema eno no sa ni nti no ema enije ne odew bi a na wo ni mu no eso etime ete ebi won so bi okọ wo ye no na sebe deformity bi aba abofra no ho nti eba ne sa na ede oya o eba ebi won so na wawo na owo ye no onya mo bia social support system sad way adia metaka ho asem bebre social support system. And that's a psychosocial support system. And it's something that is very fundamental to our mental health. If you don't have it, if you are not privy to these things, it makes it very difficult for you to cope with any condition that you find yourself in. It's when you know, and as I said, no, and no happen between 1 week and 2 weeks, and usually no, it resolves because you find a way to cope with the situation that you now find yourself in. Now after the and Wakasa take care of itself. The next one is postpartum depression. Me no waka depression who asem dada, but obi a why depressed, as I always say, no, say you're operating between 1 and 10, and 1 being depression, 10 being anxiety. You're always between 3 and 0, and I say 3 and 1, right? And you know, obi a why depressed, no, obi a waboto, obi a ontimi nya hokeka enfanya nyoma. Obi wo no ma ontimi enya enkrahye bia oni ahodi bia odi ye bibia saa ne oma nyina esi abra wa wawie. Now we say no so it happen between 15 to 25% of the population. Enti no so nyisa ahodo a eya na ema ne nya ni nyina no emu ohabo chichemu dunum ekọ aduonunum 15 to 25% of the population ends up with postpartum depression. Enti na bra o my depressed no and no start after 2 weeks. Enti no postpartum blues from day 1 see 2 weeks. Depression started from 2 weeks after birth echo. Enti obi on my best started with the blues as a wo hodom yempemwa bi ma no na ekoso saa obo na afi dey leading to the depression. Now if you hodom kono still or dampem or hwe no ho or nye dioma e wo so ye. Enti saa de mani nyina ekoso no na ama ede how ahodo ede ba oba no ebremu. Enti ya na ehu hia se yebema yebekọ omomwa empepi obi beka it takes two to tango or the bema ne nawo but oba ne be wo no bema ni ni ho no enti no ba ne sana na bibia na ba be do oba ne so ema ede how ne oya obebre eba. The second reason also ne say oba na wo wie na e bia bema ne be suso ni mu no o akosu ame de sorry na de nkwa no wa wo pay there be enyo no nkwa no wa wo pay but awo no ni nyina anye pe. Eti samre ye no okom no sa oha no okom no samre no ana ewo se wotimi ekonemoa samre no ana ye se ahodo bi a ohia no wotimi edema no se be ya obetimi nya sa psychosocial support system na meka ho asem no ne sabetimi aka bi na wotimi hu se okay enye menko ana mekwa akwan enye menko ana meko na enye menko nso ne manya nti eba ne sa na etimi eboa. But a member na ye yere no bewo anase ye ne partners bewo na yapu bibia asho mo na ye expect to say they'll just pick themselves up and everything comes back to normal no measure ya na entesa. The third thing also ye the hormonal changes. Into obi wo no ma e bia na onyi say ye no no anase owie no ne hormones no asesa. Into aba ne sa so e affect your mood, right? Enti no abra hormonal changes yi ekoso ni nyina no e moripa ko no e feel depressed. Obu onso a bia na our depression dada before the nyinse no but e bia na akoye underlying problem but onyinse ye na owo wie no na enoma wa nyina ababegu no so no na afide amane di more se ba ne sa ade a ehu enkanka ma obatan no ene abofra no because anytime you give birth, it is expected, they say, and I say, the norm is for you to take care of the child. So when you're going through postpartum depression and you're not able to take care of the child then you leave the child to a lot of chances. The child becomes malnourished, become neglected, become abused, and all of that. And say obet me at weni na wama weni akwa bofra no but enyo oba ne pe say ebanesa. Esa say naturally no onya sa ho keka no onya sa drive no ne energy no to do anything enti na ya na manebasa. So once again nkrofo a ye ne omo ewo ho no say eya asori mu say eya community no say eya wo bema no obia has a role to play nti e be say ya na yakowo moa. Then the third phase, which is the most serious one, be a friend of postpartum psychosis. postpartum psychosis no wo se me no maka psychosis one asem deda but postpartum psychosis ne obi a wawo awie na afi de saa asemi eba enti no abra o wawo awie na edi na otwe mienu eko that also starts after 2 weeks enti efi na otwe mienu eko be afi necessary symptoms no wo honom where one they feel delusional and as I said they are paranoid. The fear of say, oh, obi chase me, bibi be yeme, bibi be ya bofrano, I heard that they buegu, so they have that constant fear. And as I said, they are delusional about their area. And as I said, they are surrounded. They have this fixed false belief. Say, ebi ane bibi atu omo, right? And as I said, oh, obi chase you omo, and as I said, bibi ebe yen mofrano. It's when all these thoughts are going on, ebi so ane they are having hallucinations. Yeka hallucinations na ye omu ahodo ba mo ma menka miensa eho asem bako eye auditory hallucinations se ote enibi enti se ba ne se ote nibi na se be commanding hallucination na enene eka che no na afide ye hye no so o ku abofra no nyesa obi ba be fa na ku abofra nyesa obi ba be fa na kwa eho na obehu na ofi sa ene na ote nim no na oku abofra no. And also say, oh, ebiana or tinibi say, Janififie, whatever it is. Then they act upon that voice now or motino. Then it brings a problem. The other type of hallucination, so yeah, tactile hallucination. And the tactile has to do with feelings. And to be when I say abuebi na mo, I say bi mo some describes it as say my skin is coming out of me, right? And to the people describe it in various forms, but anytime you have some feelings be which is not real, then you have that tactile hallucinations, which can also lead to problems, right? And we've talked about auditory and tactile. The next one, visual hallucinations. Say bibi anyone obijina but then really no so when they're having these psychosis, and they're having these symptoms now, bra I was ye ni eko ye because one they will act on it and then bring about a problem, right? Now sir, postpartum psychosis, it happens in only 1% of pregnancies. Me say ahodo nyina no emu ohamo achichemu baako pe or less ana sa problem yi ebawo. But though that percentage is the least, it is the most dangerous, right? It's 50 to 85%. Enya postpartum blues, yes, almost also there, but enya pisa. Then you come 15 to 25%. Enya postpartum depression, yes, the number is also still high, but it's bad. Depression is bad and serious, but not as serious as the psychosis, because it do on it there. Then we're talking about sometimes between life and death. They can either harm themselves, somebody else, or the kid. And to your best share, if it is the psychosis now, make sure say and waste time at home. Immediately try to seek professional help. It might include the say you better not to yaresabia. Now yet to me a in a controlled environment. If so, please let's do that. Say be no who bet me atono. No it's my befi no aba behwe abusua no going forward. Na say anya sa na yet na ho a afide de empe no and besi na afide de ensem aba. Ene adwumadie no aha ane edi besi. I hope say wasua bibi kakra afa ema ho ene nyinse ho ene awo mu ene awo achi. Enti no mesre na o de o comment so aba or comment sessions na eboye ama yehu feedback from our viewers. Once again, this program was brought to you by Happy Glow GH. It's a nail spa and beauty salon at Ashoman Estate opposite Veggies and Grill. Okohonoma, you get all the best services that they provide: pedicure, manicure, acrylic, nail design, barbering, makeup, all of that. And tiabeshe se money omonye adwuma na bra mu patronize omono so no na omo so atimi a sponsor ye am adwumade etimi akoanim medamase.